has helped double my online income last year. I used lesser cost, lesser time to grow my business thanks to TikTok. And today, I will be sharing with you my exact 5 steps I used to start making real money on TikTok with 0 followers. Hi, my name is May and I'm an online business coach who has helped hundreds of individuals new to the digital world achieve massive online income through building risk-free online business that requires 0 startup cost. I use 4 social media platforms to generate online income throughout my 8 years of running online business: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. And I have to vouch that TikTok got to be the most lucrative and most cost-effective one. I wish TikTok existed back then when I was doing dropshipping in 2015 because it is so much easier to get sales from TikTok without marketing costs as compared to other platforms. TikTok is literally the all-in-one platform. It acts as an e-commerce store, shipping, video editor, live stream, social media, outreach, entertainment, gaming, and a marketing platform. Unlike other social media platforms, TikTok's algorithm prioritizes content based on engagement, not follower count. This means that even businesses with small followings can reach a large audience if their content is engaging and valuable. To be honest, I never thought I would use TikTok for my business. I started a personal account in year 2020 just for entertainment purpose after hearing a big hype about it. I uploaded a few videos and I stopped for a year because my video views were very low and I also lost interest. But I continued watching on TikTok and a year later, I decided to be more strategic with my content. I worked out a plan, did some research and started to upload videos consistently every single day, starting in July 2021. 1 month later, I had my very first viral video and I managed to hit more than 1,000 followers, which means I'm entitled for a website link on my profile. Here are some achievements, or what we call them milestones, you need in order for you to get more benefits or features from TikTok. With 1,000 followers, you'll be able to get the website link and also go live. With 10,000 followers, you'll be invited to join the TikTok Creator Marketplace. TikTok Creator Marketplace is the official platform for brand and creator collaborations on TikTok. With 10,000 followers, you can also join TikTok Creators Fund, but it's only available for users based in the US, UK, France, Germany, Spain, and Italy. So I'm sure TikTok will have plans to open up TikTok Creators Fund to more countries. So make sure that you start building your brand on TikTok so that when TikTok's Creator Fund is available in your country, you will be able to monetize immediately. So back to my TikTok milestone, I managed to hit 10,000 followers just 4 months later and I was being invited to join the Creator Marketplace. Here is where I get to work with a lot of brands for my creative agency, and this is life-changing for me because I received tons of paid collabs from this platform. I did not even need to do any brand outreach anymore. This has also become my new source of income. After experimenting and testing on TikTok for more than 1 year, I have developed video strategies called Video Vortex. I literally will go viral every time I implement them on my own videos as well as videos for my clients. For today's tutorial, I will not only reveal this strategy to you, I will also be sharing my viral system that has helped grow my business, created new income streams, and an additional $50,000 income from TikTok alone. This system is easy for you to replicate and I will break it down into 5 simple steps for you to follow. Step number 1 is to determine a profitable niche. Making a list of topics that you are passionate about or knowledgeable in. This could be hobbies, talents, or expertise that you can share with others. For example, if you love cooking, you could create recipe videos or food reviews. At this stage, you don't need to worry about not having anything to sell because here's a fun fact about being an online entrepreneur. You don't need your own products to run an online business. Step number 2 is to choose the right monetization method. I'm going to talk about monetization methods that are most popular on TikTok now. I personally tested all these 6 business models and they all work so well on TikTok. The first business model is the e-commerce or dropshipping. So these are the businesses that sells physical products. The second type of business model would be digital service. This involves selling of web services like website design, social media marketing, or video editing. This is my main business, and I'm running a creative agency that uses the drop servicing method. I promote my video services on TikTok, and I get clients without the need to do any outreach. Many business owners and brands will reach out to me to inquire for my services. The third online business model is the affiliate marketing. So how it works is when you promote a company's product or service, you get paid a commission for each sale or lead that you generate. TikTok has just rolled out an affiliate marketing model which called TikTok Shop. So TikTok Shop is an e-commerce platform on TikTok itself, and content creator on TikTok who has at least 10,000 followers are able to join this TikTok Shop. So I just started testing out TikTok Shop, and it is incredible. It unlocks another stream of income for me, and it is a very fun and easy way to make money as long as you use my video strategy that I will be sharing later to create simple videos that you can easily make sales from. Here's an example of how fast I get sales. I posted this simple video and sold 4 sets in less than 1 hour, and the commission I get is $34. This is just one video with one product. Can you imagine if you make daily videos with different types of products? The best thing is the brands will give out free samples for you to promote. This is by far the best business model on TikTok ever. The fourth type online business model that you can start on TikTok is UGC or content creator. UGC stands for user generated content. It refers to any content that has been created and published by users of a particular platform or website. This can include things like social media posts, reviews, photos, videos, comments, and many more. Essentially, any content that is created and shared by the users themselves is considered as user-generated content. In short, UGC is content that regular people create and share on websites or social media rather than the website or company itself. So I personally started user-generated content last year, and some of my clients achieved very good results on their own social media platform. So this is one of the example. The video went viral after only a few videos. So user-generated content is something very new in the market, and it has very high potential because user-generated content is very effective when it comes to helping businesses and brands bringing in organic traffic. So whenever a business needs to grow their social media account, they will be looking for people like influencers or content creators to create content for them. And this is something that will get you recurring income because a lot of businesses need social media videos every single month, some even every single day. Especially those businesses who want to monetize on TikTok platform itself. This UGC is pretty new, but it is growing rapidly. Many brands are looking for a lot of UGC creators, and one project can fetch a few hundreds and up to a few $1,000s. So UGC has very high potential, and now is the right time for you to learn how to be a UGC creator. The fifth online business model that you can start on TikTok is selling digital products. So what is digital products? Digital products are products that can be downloaded or accessed online without the need for a physical copy. Some of the examples of digital products include ebooks, online courses, software, music, videos, and games. These products can be delivered instantly and can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. Here are some of the examples TikTok account that sells digital products. So the digital products that are commonly or very popular on TikTok would be planners, organizers, children activity books, and so on. Online business model number 6 will be the consultation, coaching, or training type of business. So many coaches or trainers get clients from going live on TikTok, and they will prepare an offer for their service to be promoted during live. Here's an example. She made $340 just by going live for 45 minutes promoting her social media audit service. So if you personally is someone who is giving out consultation or giving out training like a fitness training or a business coach like myself, then building a brand on TikTok is very beneficial for you because there are tons of clients here that you can find. And many individuals do actually need this kind of service. So going live and giving out your valuable content on TikTok is going to attract many clients for yourself. So right now is the most exciting part, and I will be revealing to you my components of the viral system. So I'll break this viral system into step 3 to 5. So step 3 to 5 is where we get into my viral framework. V stands for Video Vortex, and that is the video strategy that I use to create engaging content to get my videos go viral. There are 5 strategic approaches I use in my Video Vortex strategy, and that is 2 types of content format that captures attention. So number 1 is the long form or the storytelling, informational or educational type of contents that add value to your viewers. Second type of content will be the short form contents. So for short form contents, I like to use my triple S formula. So 3S, the first S is the switch scene. So for switch scene, I always have different scenes every other seconds. The second S will be short, so I keep my TikTok videos as short as possible. Most of the short form videos are below 60 seconds. And the third S will be sweet, so short and sweet. So sweet means we want to get to the point, right to the point, and do not use anything like very draggy kind of conversation. So that one we leave it for the long form content. So sweet means we need to pack a punch and make sure that you get to the point. Because one thing that I realized on TikTok, that TikTok viewers are quite impatient and they have very short attention span. So make sure that your videos are really quick and fast and easy to understand. One thing that I get asked very often is, can I post TikTok videos without showing my face? So the answer is absolutely yes. I help property agents create TikTok videos, and most of the posts do not even have their face. Here are some easy video ideas without showing face. Number 1, you can film yourself doing tasks, show your hands doing something or your legs walking to somewhere. So this is one of the very good idea if you do not wish to show your face. Number 2 will be posting picture carousels. Number 3 is doing a tutorial, an unboxing, showcasing a product. Number 4 will be a voiceover. And number 5 is create a behind the scenes video without showing your face. Next, we have step number 4. So step number 4 is the R. R represent research. So research TikTok trends and look for popular hashtags or challenges and trends on TikTok that relate to your business. A quick research hack I use for my research is to type in the keyword of my business. For me, I do mostly marketing videos. So go to the TikTok search bar, type in marketing video. Here you have a list of 10 frequent searches that viewers usually search on TikTok. The chance of your video getting more views is higher because this topic is highly searched. If you want more suggestion, click into any of the keywords, let's say marketing video ideas, scroll down and you can see more of what others are searching for. Right now, you have 8 more content ideas plus just now a list of 10. You already have 18 content ideas just based on one keyword. Now is the time for step number 5. This is a very important step because this is where we scale our business. And for this, it's going to be a bit more comprehensive because it involves I, A, and L. So 3 of the framework. So just now we have covered V for Video Vortex, R for the research roadmap, and right now I will cover I. So step number 5 is the most crucial step to make real and long-term profit. There are 3 marketing strategies I use in my viral framework, and they are influencer impact method, whereby we use influencer to help our business get more eyeball on our products and services by leveraging on the influencers network. And that's the reason why I call it the influencer impact. Take a look at how big an impact for the Singapore's brand Charles & Keith had when a TikToker named Zoe shared a video of her getting her first luxury bag from Charles & Keith. She shot to fame overnight because she was shamed or roasted online for calling Charles & Keith a luxury brand. This from shame to fame story made a big good impact on Charles & Keith, and it resulted in a big jump in their consumer purchase scores. The second marketing strategy I use is called the Ads Accelerator. Basically, I use a TikTok campaign to boost my service. In September last year, I tested a campaign with only $48 ad spend using one of my viral video, and it generated $7,431 in October. and another $7,395 in November. The third marketing strategy stands for L. L means lead generation funnel. This funnel works hand in hand with the marketing and video strategies I mentioned, because you need to capture viewers' attention with your video and then funnel your potential clients to a landing page. This landing page can be your sales page, whereby you prompt your leads to buy, or you are giving something for free to capture the leads. This lead generation funnel contributed to how I'm able to make almost $15,000 with 174 link clicks generated from the $48 TikTok ad spend. The link clicks is referring to how many people I send from my promoted video to my link that leads to my landing page. To summarize, the 5 components of my TikTok viral system is the key to driving massive traffic to your business without a huge marketing cost. The tutorial I shared today is an overview of how this viral system works and how it has helped double my sales revenue, as well as created 4 new streams of income from TikTok. If you're interested to learn more in depth and to give you a more personalized coaching, I have a program called From TikTok Views to Revenue program. I call it VTR program. And for this month's intake only, I will be including a 1-day live group coaching, which will be held on the 25th of March, plus lifetime mentorship, which means I'll be guiding you even after the 1-day class is over. With this lifetime mentorship program, we are giving 3 bonuses. Number 1 is the lifetime private Facebook support group, plus my personal direct Telegram chat access, so that you can chat with me when you need a personalized solution. This is worth $2,997. This is also how much I'm charging for my personal coaching. The second bonus will be business evaluation. This is worth $197. I will be providing a full TikTok business review and customize a plan to help improve your overall business. The third bonus will be updates on the latest TikTok trends. This is worth $97. This saves you a lot of time, so you can jump into the trend immediately and get viral views. With viral views, you'll have a higher chance to get viral revenue too. These 3 bonuses are valued at $3,291 for a similar TikTok course for business. Others are charging about 1,700 Singapore dollars, which is about 1,200 US dollars. But for those of you who is here throughout this video, this lifetime mentorship program only costs you $297. But wait, I have more. For the first 30 who enroll in this program before 24th of March, you will enjoy a further 50% discount, because you guys are the early birds and I wish to reward you for that. You can scan here to enroll and remember to use coupon code EARLYBIRD at checkout to enjoy this program at half price. And one thing very important that I forgot to mention is that I will be guiding those total beginners who do not own any business to come up with a business idea that align with your interests. So this is part of the lesson in Module 4, whereby I will guide you how to turn an idea to business by unlocking your inner business genius. I hope you have learned something valuable from this video and that it has inspired you to make the next move. Taking action is the first step to building your dream life. Creating a business on TikTok is literally a dream job for me after trying so many different kinds of business. And I want to finish off this video with a message. If you don't build your dream, someone else will hire you to help them build theirs. I will see you in my mentorship program. Bye!